Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can change the language at the Samsung Galaxy M34 5G. Yeah, let me tell you first, whatever language you have on your phone right now with whatever letters, the symbols and the positions I will show you on the tutorial video will be always the same. Okay, let's start now. First of all, we will need the settings. So you will find it always if you scroll down here, and here at the corner we will have always the symbol for the settings. Just tap on it. Now you need to scroll down to the point General Management, and you will find a gray icon in front with some white stuff to adjust in it. Tap it. Now you will need the first point, Language. So in May you're having a list here right now with some languages, and in case if your language is part here of the list, just tap on the language, maybe here Deutsch, so German, in my case. Go on the blue button to apply, and now the phone has changed the language, in my case German. Okay, let me turn back to English. Because if you don't have here the language in that list, you need to add it. No? I think you can imagine it already here with the green plus symbol. You can add a language here. No? If your language is not part of the list, tap here on the green plus symbol to add a language, and now I can choose for many languages. But let's keep going on here for the video in English to follow the video better. And the second step is to choose a local dialect. No? Let's take the dialect here from India. Greetings, by the way. And what you have to do next then is to choose the most right one here, no? To set this language as default. So, and now our phone is in English with the dialect of India. As you can see, pretty simple. And yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in with some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.